Hey guys, Doug Caldwell, Sherwood Park Dodge. I'm gonna give you guys a tour of Sherwood Park Dodge. So I'm standing in front of the place I spend more time than I do at my own house. So if you are coming to the left side of the building, which is located just off of the Yellowhead Highway, you're going to see our service department. So let's do a quick twist here. We'll go here, service behind me, 2 doors, oil bay, service bay. Right beside that, we've got our body shop. So if you guys have any, it doesn't have to be a Dodge. It could be any product. These guys are fully licensed for their insurance, everything like that. So if we tour this way, you're gonna see our lot. I mean, I'm not gonna go in depth on showing you guys the lot. There's 1,000 vehicles on it. Come on down, take a look at that part of it. Let's go for a quick walk. I'll start in the lounge off the service department. Okay, I'm on the door on the right when you pull in, so that is the oil lube bay. Come in, we've got all our service desks on that side. We've got the oil change part on this side. Walking through here, we're going to come in, see parts on the right. Again, service reception on the left. So if you guys walk through here, you're gonna see the lounge, and we'll go this way for finance. Forgot one thing. If you come here before 1, this guy will make you lunch, breakfast, whatever you want, really. Now we're walking through, you got a couple of offices back here. If you guys ever want to come in CRB and you don't know where his office is, here's his name. Richard Bigelow, fleet manager. We got finance here, one of the guys working, a couple more offices here. This takes us all the way. Hey wait, somebody brought their dog to work today. Look at this. This is Chewy. Where's this Hunter?
Hunter.
Hunter. Hunter. Let's go around. Andrea's still working as well.
Hello.
And then in the back, this really had one of the big bosses. Try not to talk to him much. Sometimes he's scary and grumpy. Now we're coming back here, we got a couple of extra offices. So, I mean, there's enough room here for everybody. Let's go on to this side. So we walk through the back. We're now gonna go into the used car showroom. So on this side here, you're gonna see a mixture of our classic cars, as well as our used cars, as well as all of our used car offices. We go out in there. This is where we make all the magic happen for you guys. So if you're writing a deal or working on a deal or getting something like that, this is the tower where we keep 2 sales managers and whoever else is basically, you know, kind of procrastinating and not doing too much work. That's what we like to do here. So now we're in the main showroom, used car showroom. So we've got Al's office over here. We've got a bunch of the new car sales guys over here. Now I'll introduce you to one of our receptionist that's working there. Her name's Holly. Come on around. Holly specifically told me that she did not want to be in one of these videos, but we're gonna do it anyway. So first person you see when you walk in is gonna be Holly. Could be Emma, could be Anna, could be Franca, could be, I don't know, whoever's working when you come here, depends what time of day. Last, we're gonna finish this off with Morgan. She's the one who forces me to do these things when I still don't want to some days. Say hi, Morgan.
Hello.
Okay, so that's a quick tour of Sherwood Park Dodge. If you guys got any questions, comment below. If I missed something that you guys know that I seem to have forgotten, let me know. Or just come on down and see us. We're located on 230 Provincial Avenue, Sherwood Park. Thanks, guys. Hey, I said I might miss something. I did miss something. Last thing, let's go check out the actual used car showroom. This is where we keep the majority of them. Ones that are really nice, stuff like that, because we walked around them on the outside. You know, there's a couple on the over there in the used car showroom. So come on real quick. This will give you a quick idea of what we have here as well. So, classic car showroom. We do try and keep it updated. Like, I guess not updated. I guess what would you call it? Like backdated. We got a couple of engines in here, the old gas pump, stuff like that. So, used car showroom or classic car showroom. And if you come in and you take a look at all the walls, you can see a majority of the cars that have been through here as well. There's a ton of them, and they were all gorgeous. All right, thanks, guys.